WhatsApp frauds continue despite the publisher measures to prevent the spread of misinformation and fraudulent links on the platform. Scammers are developing new ways and ideas to trick the citizens. Lately, a message is being circulated on this instant messaging app claiming users to earn up to rupees 3,000 to 17,000 per day. In some cases, in order to get the job, the scammer insists on calling the so-called personal manager of the company, while in others, all you need to do is to click on the link attached in this received text, which if activated might can result in loss of money and confidential details like bank account details. On analyzing the country code of these senders, it has been noticed that most of these numbers scheming fake job alerts are not from India. It further seeks to bring the reader in faith with the use of words like earn quick money from the comfort of your home. To the naked eyes, these offers often seem authentic. However, one must be practical here and keep in mind that there can be no fastest or easiest way to earn money. This is a simple psychological strategy planned by the fraudster that an individual succumbs to these messages instantly. A skeptical approach could be of great help in such circumstances. This scam is called SMS phishing in IT terms. It generally involves a text message with a single link tagged to a fake login account page. When the link is accessed, it redirects the victim to different websites and can even install malicious item onto the recipient system unit. It will then execute your inserted details within the website. These cyber attacks are used to steal and transfer the customer data and credentials onto the scammer's device to access the synced corporate networks and applications. With the phishing scam, fraudster can access your personal and financial information including bank and card details by using social engineering methods. It can invade Windows PC as well as Android and iOS irrespectively. WhatsApp users are warned not to fall for such messages in the first place. But the question is how to identify the authenticity of these messages. It's very apparent that no organization will reach out to its applicant through such an informal means as WhatsApp. Therefore, it's pretty clear that any message with such offerings is unreliable at the very first sight. Moreover, these messages are often too good to be true. You would notice that the language used is incorrect and the sentences are formed in a haphazard manner. This sign should be more than enough to understand that the message has not been sent from any authorized or credible source. However, scammers sometimes pretend to be from popular companies to lure innocent users. So it is very important to verify before clicking on any such links. Messages like these are a complete hoax, and if you click on the link, you might end up revealing your bank account details to cyber criminals, and in worst cases, it could also log you out of your WhatsApp account. How do scammers get your cell phone number? From filling out online forms to logging into your bank account, you use your phone number to confirm your identity. Just like your email address, your phone number is among the most common form of personal information you use in the day-to-day life. These geeks get your phone number exactly for this reason, and they illegally get your number via several techniques. One of such could be dark web. Fraudsters buy phone numbers in bulk on the dark web. On the other hand, number generator is another common method which comes in handy for scammers. This auto dialer equipment generates and calls random phone numbers. Also, for the reason that social media and web search play a very crucial role in our everyday life, this becomes another good opportunity for gathering the user statistics by means of web directories and web scraping. But how to protect and secure a device from such digital attacks? As a best practice, if you aren't sure whether something's true or don't know who wrote the message you received, it is never recommended to tap, share, or forward it. Whenever you receive a spam link along with a suspicious URL, you should immediately mark it as spam and remove it. If you have clicked on any such link accidentally, you should immediately load an antivirus software to scan for any adware, malware, or PUAs that is potentially unwanted applications. If you see ads running in places they shouldn't be, and if you are redirected to suspicious sites whenever you search for something on the browser, the malware may have already infected your device. You should instantly uninstall any suspicious app if you encounter any of such things on your smartphone. So, whenever you receive such messages, the first step is to ignore and block the contact. Once you have done so, it is always better to report them so that other users can be prevented from falling prey to the same.